Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs home tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's a mini keyboard. It's a wireless mini keyboard. It cost me just under £14 through Amazon and it's sold by a company called Airson through Amazon. And the reason I bought this is because although I've got a couple of touchpads or mini keyboard touchpads, none of them have backlights, and I do like my RGB lighting, and this has RGB lighting, so I thought, oh, I quite like the look of that. I'll buy it, do an unboxing and see what it's like. You can run this on a PC or an Android device or your PlayStation or your Xbox. It should work fine with any of them. There's a little adapter in it, a little USB dongle thing that you plug into your TV, your smart TV or your PC, or like I said, your PlayStation and that, and your Xbox, and it should just pick it up and run perfectly. So I'll tell you a little bit about it before I show you around the box. It's a 2.4 gigahertz wireless or mini wireless 92 key QWERTY keyboard, and I don't know about you, but I like the QWERTY keyboards. I always use one, so I know what I'm doing, sort of. Has 7 colours for the backlight, which is RGB, so that's quite interesting. So I'm keen to have a look at that, see how that looks. And I've seen some pictures on it, like that one there, but you need to see it for real. So I thought, yeah, we'll do a video, we can have a look and see what it looks like. As also a touchpad with a mouse combo, and basically what the mouse combo does, it allows you to use 1, 2 or 3 fingers. So if you just use one to move your mouse about and press the pad, it will act as a left mouse button, like you're doing so. If you use 2 fingers on now, it will act as though you're using it as a scroll. So for instance, if you're scrolling down a web page or something, you just scroll down like that. And if you use 3 fingers, it will act as though it's using the right mouse button. But it also comes with a left mouse button and a right mouse button as well, so you don't even have to use that if you don't want to. But I just thought I'd share that bit with you. So with that, I'll show you around the box, and then we'll do the unboxing then, shall we? So yeah, I think it's nicely presented. So I like things nicely presented. Got a nice picture on there, tells you a little bit about it. Nothing on that side, a bit of information on the back. What's that say? Specific multimedia remote control and touchpad function handheld keyboard. There goes a little bit of writing on the side and nothing on the bottom. So yeah, it looks pretty good. So with that, I'll get it out of the box. So on the top, it's got the USB adapters. This will be your charger. So you plug this into a USB device that you can charge from. So it's a mini USB and a normal USB, and it doesn't look very long, the lead, so it should be easy enough to charge it up. I've got plenty of places I can plug it in for charging up. Right, let's have a look at the actual keyboard itself. And when you first get this, you're going to need to charge it up anyway. So it comes with some instructions and shows you a picture or pictures of different devices you can plug it into on the front, which is quite handy. And some information inside, nothing really major to tell you. Told you a little bit about charging and also a bit of troubleshooting. So that's handy to know. So let's have a look at the device itself. So it feels quite nice, got a nice touch to it. And it's quite clicky as well. Which is nice. Only a lot I said about touchpad, yeah. 1 finger, 2 fingers and 3 fingers. Left, right, left scroll and right. But also you've got the left mouse button press anyway, and then the right mouse button now. You've got your Internet Explorer. You press that, it should just pop up for you. Your emails and some other devices. You've got your play and pause button, volume control. This will control your TV to a point as well, but it's not able to actually turn your TV off. But you can set it to control the volume and some other functions as well, which you'll have to explore with your own TV. So I'll have a look around. So you've got an on-off button on the back, or on the top I should say. So there's an on-off button there, and that's your mini USB there for charging it up, so that's quite handy. and then in the back is where your battery is. So it comes with a lithium battery, which is in there, and also storage for your little dongle that you're going to plug into your USB device, whatever USB device you're going to be using. And we're going to be testing it on my PC just to try it out. So that's it. So it's, like I say, it's not very big. Doesn't need to be very big. That's all it needs to be, is like that. And I think it says on the website or on Amazon that it can do a range of 10 meters, but it will have trouble doing it through walls. And I can't see why you'd want to do it through walls in the first place, because you ain't going to be able to see what you're doing unless you're just trying to show off. Things like that. So yeah, it's nicely laid out. So I'm going to turn it on and we're going to have a look at the colours. So look, a flasher there, so obviously it's looking for a signal. You've got a blue light, so it should just light up. Right, it's not turned on yet, so we need to turn it on. And the way to do it is you hold the FN key, which is that one down there, and you press F2. So hold that down, press like that, and there's your first colour. Should stay on for about 5 seconds, so something like that, before it goes off, which it does. So it saves wasting battery. And to bring it back on, you just got to touch whatever keys you're going to be using, and it will just light up. So that's going to look really good in the dark, I think. So that's one colour, and then you've got should be 3 basic colours. So if you want to change it, just hold it down again so it goes over to blue, and down again it goes to red. So that's your 3 basic colours. And then to get the other colours up, what you do, you hold it down again, and we'll get green up first, and then you just, on the left, bottom left of the pad, yeah, you just scroll across, there goes your colours. See that? And that's how it goes. There's all your colours there. Quite nice. So obviously it's not got a fantastic range of colours, but it does say it's got 7 colours, and obviously you can see them. So just hold the FM button down first and just scroll along. That's pretty good. That's quite like that. I think it looks really nice. It's gone off. Zoom it right in. Change colour. But more back to red. I quite like the green as well. So that's your basic colours. Like I say, and you can just scroll it along and it will change colours and do multi sort of colours. That's quite nice actually, the purpley sort of coloury. Yeah. So that's how it's all done. So obviously you've got to remember you have to charge it up first. So I'll turn it off for a second. What we do now, plug it into the computer, and we'll see if it works straight away. I'm going to leave my keyboard in. So look, my keyboard is still plugged in with my mouse, and I'll do it on this screen over here. I'll move the camera back so you get a better picture. Well, no, I'll leave the camera there. We'll sort something out. So get the dongle and plug it in here. Oops. Turn it on. Right, there's my mouse. Yeah, that's still working, and we should be yeah, there you go. It works straight away. See that? So what do we want to do? What do we want to do? So you also, you've got left and right on there as well. You've got quite a few left and rights on the mouse. So if I right click there, so that's right click, that was that. So we'll just close that. So left click. So right click for the mouse. Left click, so that works. So will it get up my Internet Explorer? I might have to do a bit of programming for that, I don't know. Oh, it gets up my emails, press the emails, come up straight away. I'll just show you again. It might be because I've still got it, I've already got it open, see? It's over there, look. So I'm going to turn it off. So emails, sorry, Internet Explorer, or I'm using Chrome actually. So no, it's not working yet, but that might be, I need to configure it. Oh look! Saying that, I press the home button, it come up. So obviously it's going to do slightly different things depending whether you're using it on an Android device or whether you're using it on like a PC or a games console, as you just found out. So home button, it brings up that. There's a search bar. Oh look, and the search bar works. I just press the search bar, that's quite good. Right, let's close that. So left mouse, and then go up here, and I can just left mouse and she's shut. So yeah, that works really well. I mean, straight out of the box, and obviously it needs charging up, so that's pretty good as well. So obviously they charge up a little bit just to test the battery, because the last thing you want to find out is the battery's going to go dead. So it's got a bit of a bubble fill on the back to give you a bit of grip, which is quite nice. I think it looks quite nice. It's a good size as well. It's not too small. You know, it's about the right size for my hand. And the fact is, I don't have to unplug my keyboard, my big keyboard, which I use. I can just use this as well. So I could even have a bit of fun, and if someone's using my keyboard, turn this on without them telling them and start doing things. Oh, there's something wrong with my computer, you know, just sort of scare them. So that'd be quite good fun. Nice bit of space bar. Yeah, overall it looks really nice. I'm quite impressed. It's got a mute button. Oh, and the mute button works. Look, volume. Up there. Off, on. So even that works. Oh yeah, quite good. Will it play anything? I haven't got nothing turned on yet. So I've got volume up and down. Oh, and that works. That's very good. First impressions, I'm very pleased with it. I like the feel of it. It doesn't feel too slippery. You can buy a lot of devices like this that they feel as though they're going to keep falling out your hands. It's not heavy. It's got a little bit of a weight to it, which you need. It's not too light. It doesn't feel like you're going to drop it on the floor and it's going to suddenly break. It looks good when it's lit up, and it's going to look good at night, especially if you're sitting in a dark room, like if you're watching a big TV or something, and you've got the lights off, and you think, where's the remote? Oh, I can't see nothing. Well, this is a thing to light up for you, like a Christmas tree. And you think, oh, that's handy, isn't it? So yeah, very pleased with this. I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. And like I said earlier, I will stick a link in the description in case you decide you want to buy one. So with that, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.